Today, we're diving deep into something that has the power to transform your financial future. And that's books. That's right, we're going to explore my top 5 money and money mindset books that has the potential to change your life and set you up for financial success. These books has impacted my life, and I can guarantee that it will open up your mind to a whole new level of money consciousness. So let's get into it. Hi, I'm Joveline, money mindset mentor and hypnotherapist. If you're an entrepreneur and you feel that you have limiting beliefs about yourself and around making money, then you've come to the right place. In this channel, I will teach you how to remove these blocks so you can create your rich life. Now, the first book that has hugely impacted my life is The Science of Getting Rich by Wallace D. Wattles. I read this book over a decade ago, and it's only now when I read it again that it's blown my mind. It's true what they say, when the student is ready, the teacher will appear. Back then, I was too naive to understand it. In The Science of Getting Rich, Wattles explores the timeless principles of wealth creation. It's not just a book, it's a roadmap to financial prosperity. And he believed that wealth is not just a result of luck or chance, but a predictable outcome that, if followed, will guarantee a wealthy life. In this book, you learn about the power of your thoughts, the importance of visualization, and how it can create your reality. How acting a certain way and aligning your thoughts with what you want out of your life is the key to manifesting wealth and prosperity. This book has made a profound impact on not only my life, but the lives of many successful entrepreneurs out there. So if you're looking to understand the science behind attracting wealth and making your financial dreams a reality, The Science of Getting Rich is a must-read. The next book is Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. Now, this book is a timeless classic, and it's never going to leave the shelves at the bookstores. It has transformed countless lives and continues to inspire success stories around the world. Think and Grow Rich is not just a book, it's a blueprint for achieving your financial and life goals. Napoleon Hill spent decades studying habits and mindsets of some of the most successful people in history, including Henry Ford to Thomas Edison. What he discovered were common principles that could be applied by anyone seeking success. This book delves deep into the power of your thoughts, beliefs, and desires. Napoleon Hill outlines a step-by-step process for turning your dreams into reality. From setting clear goals to developing a burning desire and overcoming challenges. Think and Grow Rich is a guide to harnessing the incredible power of your mind. So if you're ready to embark on a journey of self-discovery and financial empowerment, this book is an absolute must-read. The next book is Secrets of the Millionaire Mind by T. Harv Eker. Now, this book is a wealth building manual. T. Harv Eker takes you on a journey into the psychology around wealth, revealing the thought patterns, beliefs, and habits that differentiate millionaires from the rest of us. Eker writes how our financial success is rooted in our money blueprint, a mental script that we've acquired through our upbringing and life experiences. This book is all about reprogramming your money blueprint for abundance and financial success. You'll learn how to identify and change limiting beliefs, adopt a millionaire mindset, and take inspired action towards your financial goals. Whether you're just starting on your financial journey or aiming to level up your wealth game, Secrets of the Millionaire Mind offers practical insights that can pave the way to financial freedom. If you like this video so far, please hit that like button and smash that subscribe button for more videos about money, manifestation, and the law of attraction. The next book is The Law of Attraction, The Power of Thought to Manifest Your Best Life by William Walker Atkinson. This was written in the early 20th century, and this book is the OG book of the Law of Attraction. And it was written before The Secret by Rhonda Byrne and before The Law of Attraction by Esther and Jerry Hicks was ever written. And in this book, William Atkinson takes us on a profound journey into the power of our thoughts and their connection to the universe. He talks about the idea that our thoughts are not isolated, but are part of a vast thought world, and like attracts like. He writes about the importance of maintaining a positive mental attitude, cultivating gratitude, and aligning our thoughts with our desires. This book is a timeless guide that offers practical wisdom for those seeking to harness the law of attraction in their lives. So whether you're new to these ideas or a seasoned student of manifestation, Law of Attraction is a must-read to unlock the secrets of thought power and deliberate creation. Finally, this next book has the potential to unlock the hidden treasures of your mind and transform your life. This is one of my favorites, and it's called The Power of Your Subconscious Mind by Dr. Joseph Murphy. If you're curious about the immense influence your subconscious has on your thoughts, your actions, and overall well-being, then this book is the one for you. The Power of Your Subconscious Mind by Dr. Joseph Murphy explores the profound connection between your conscious and your subconscious mind. This book is a revelation, shedding light on how your subconscious can either be your greatest ally or hold you back from your dreams. Dr. Murphy dives into the power of belief, affirmation, visualization, offering practical tips to tap into your subconscious to manifest health, wealth, and happiness. It's not just a book, it's a guide to understanding and harnessing the incredible potential within you. Whether you're seeking to overcome challenges, break free from limiting beliefs, or achieve your greatest goals, this book is a treasure trove of wisdom that will empower you to unleash the power of your subconscious mind and create a life that you love. If you found this video enlightening, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more insights into money mindset, manifestation, personal development, and the law of attraction. Remember, your thoughts have the power to shape your reality, and these books will help you master that inner power that we all have. If you want more information on how you can purchase this book, make sure you visit the description below where I will have links to how you can purchase these in Amazon. Have you ever explored these transformative concepts in these books or experienced the power of thought and your own subconscious mind? Please share your thoughts and stories in the comments below. Remember, your thoughts and your subconscious mind is a force waiting to be tapped into. And these books can help you unlock that force. Thanks for joining me today. And as always, keep exploring, keep believing, and keep harnessing the power of your mind. See you in my next video.